verify the identity cosecant of 2 theta equals 1/2 tangent theta plus cotangent theta. So here I want to verify this identity, and verifying trigonometric identities generally is easiest if we start with the more complicated side. So I'm going to go ahead and do that here. I have this right side looks more complicated to me, so I'm going to start with that. I've got 1/2 tangent theta plus cotangent theta, and here I don't really know anything I can do with these, so I'm going to write them in terms of sine and cosine and hope that that helps. So this is 1/2. Tangent of theta is sine theta over cosine theta, and cotangent theta is cosine theta over sine theta. Now I have these fractions that are being added, so I can go ahead and combine them, getting a common denominator. So let's go ahead and do that here. I have a common denominator of sine times cosine. So this first fraction is going to get an extra sine. So this is going to be a sine squared theta over sine theta cosine theta. And then here, if I multiply this by a cosine on top and bottom, I get a cosine squared theta over sine theta cosine theta. And now they have the same denominator, so we can add these together. And notice now that the numerator is sine squared plus cosine squared, which is just 1. So this is 1 over sine theta cosine theta. Now notice here, if I now multiply these two fractions, I get 1 over 2 sine theta cosine theta. And that denominator is the identity for sine of 2 theta. So it's 1 over sine of 2 theta. And of course, this is the reciprocal of sine, and the reciprocal of sine is cosecant. So this is cosecant of 2 theta. And that verifies the identity that we were trying to verify.